Hey, what's up guys? I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, based out of San Bernardino, California. And in today's video, we're going to be ceramic coating some leather seats. So let's get right into it. Follow me along.
Why should leather seats be ceramic coated?
So you want to ceramic coat your leather seats to keep them looking like new for a long time, and also to avoid any stains. If you drop anything, it's hydrophobic, so it has some stain resistance, some scratch resistance, and some cracking resistance, fading resistance, UV protection, basically just to have your seats look like new for a long time and be easier to clean up if they get all filthy and whatnot. And yeah.
Got it. So how does the ceramic coat protect the leather? Does it like penetrate the leather and it sticks onto it, or how?
Yeah, so it basically gets absorbed in there, and it creates like a sacrificial layer. So I do 2 layers, or it's 2 to 3 layers depending on how much protection you want to do. And it also varies on like how much dirty of a person you are, or how you maintain your vehicle. On my van, I'm probably gonna do 3 layers on the seats. There's only 2 seats, so we should have plenty of coating to knock that out. And you literally apply it, let it sit, and you don't wipe it off. You just let it basically absorb and penetrate into the pores of the leather.
Got it. So it's similar to like what you do on the paint job then?
Not really, because on the paint job you have to level off the coating. So you have to level it out so that you don't get any high spots or any like rainbowy look to it. And on the seats, you don't have to level off the coating because it just soaks in and soaks it up. You just got to let it sit for a bit before you sit in it and drive off. You got to make sure it's like fully penetrated in, and that way you don't sit down and your pants or shirt get coating all over it or smear it.
So when's the best time to have leather seats coated?
Best time to get your seats coated is when your vehicle is brand new, or as soon as possible if it's not a new vehicle or if you just got it. Yeah, so you just want to get it done ASAP before it starts getting messed up or faded or cracking or discolored or anything. Any signs of wear and tear. Mine's a 2017, and luckily the seats still look really good after 5 years. So I'm doing this now. I've been wanting to do it for a long time, but I've been pretty busy. But now that I got some free time, we're gonna go ahead and get this knocked out, so that way our seats can stay looking brand new for a really long time.
Got it. So if there's already cracking in the leather, does the ceramic coat kind of like fill those cracks in, or is that a completely different job?
That's a completely different job. It won't necessarily, it's not like a leather restore or anything. It's just more of a leather protector.
So right now you're prepping the seats. Are you gonna vacuum them and stuff, or?
Yeah, I'm actually just gonna brush these out. But if it was my client's car, then yeah, but it's my own car, my own vehicle, I'm just gonna brush it out and then wipe it thoroughly, clean it. And yeah.
Cool. With what are you going to wipe it? Just like an all-purpose cleaner?
No. So I'm going to brush out the crevices, and then I'll wipe it down with just like a microfiber towel, and then I'll use a Ninja scrub pad, which I'll bring out right now in a bit, and use a interior cleaner and scrub them out, and then wipe it down again, and then use the panel prep, wipe them down, and then apply the first layer coating, wait a while, do the first layer on both, wait a bit, jump back in over here, do the second layer, and then come back to the third layer. It's just on and off, switch over.
How much does this service cost?
So it depends on the size of the vehicle, how dirty it is, the age of the seats and whatnot, and the amount of seats. But a rough price range would be starting about $300 for like a regular sedan with 5 seats. So that'd be the 2 front seats and the rear bench seat, which would include cleaning the seats thoroughly and ceramic coating them in 3 layers of coating. For the leather seats, it'd start at $300.
Got it. And so do your clients usually ask for this procedure to be done, or is it included in one of your detailing packages?
This is an add-on. You can add this on to any of our packages or get it as a standalone package or service. For the most part, most people that get this usually have either white interiors. What's any type of interior gets it done, but for the our most populars would be the white interior, especially the Teslas. Did it do anything or not?
Dang, that's crazy. It's like all the water slides right off.
Nice.
So that's what happens to the seats then.
Something like that, pretty much.
That's crazy. So Tony, you've used this Geon leather shield before?
Yeah.
And would you say it's like a top of the line product, or?
Yeah, really solid. So to give you as an example, we did a Tesla Model 3 with the white interior on the seats, and the owner of the vehicle accidentally forgot that he had a blue pen on the back of his pocket. And so when he went inside to set on the vehicle, it left like a zigzag type of stripe and on the seat. And thankfully we were able to get that safely removed without damaging the seat or the coating. And it was like nothing ever happened.
Damn.
And I honestly believe that if the coating wasn't there, it probably would have stained it. Yep. All right, so now scrub pad. We'll do one section at a time. Get our towel ready. And it's just a leather interior cleaner. And we'll spray some on the actual seat as well. So we'll do the bottom section first.
And is it just one pass with this cleaner right here?
Yeah, pretty much. Just a couple. Scrub it in and then do wipe down. The difference between this and this.
Oh yeah, you see like darker gray right here. So is your goal to, in this first step, to clean it? That way, when you put the coat, that I guess that dirtiness doesn't stay on it, or?
Yeah, basically you want to get it looking as new as possible before applying the coating on, and make sure it's all nice and clean, open pores, ready for the coating to absorb in there.
So what are you gonna do next, Tony?
We're gonna just panel prep it real quick, wipe it down, make sure there's no oils or anything on the seats, and then we'll start coating. Just quick wipe down. Make sure you don't do this in direct sunlight. You don't want it to dry up on the surface and mess up your seats.
So the panel prep it gets the leather ready for the ceramic coating?
Yeah. So you can have a better bond, maximum bond to the seats.
So you gotta use gloves when you do this?
Yeah, you don't want the coating on your hands. It can dry out your hands.
Oh shit.
So you're gonna grab your bottle, shake it, get it prepared. Get your applicator pad out, your applicator block. This is included when you buy this specific coating.
So what's that block for, the orange?
This is, you wrap it around the applicator pad.
Oh.
So you wrap it around here. And then you can use a credit card to put it inside these lines right there to hold it in place. And apply your coating here and apply it to your seat. We're gonna shake our bottle.
So do you ever apply the coating directly to the seat or no?
Like this?
Yeah, from the bottom.
No, you got to put it on your applicator pad and then apply it onto the seat. We're going to clean off the excess of the bottle from the previous coating that we did. Any of the hard, when the coating hardens, it makes like a little crystal surrounding around the area that you apply to your applicator pad. So when you go to apply to your applicator pad, you want to make sure that the area is clean so it doesn't drop any of the crystal particles into your applicator pad and scratch up whatever you're going to coat. There's going to apply a couple drops to our applicator pad. Lay this up here. Then you simply just apply in an even way. We're actually going to take this seat cover, or this headrest piece off right now in a bit, but for now just leave it like that. Now this is my personal vehicle, so I am more concerned on the areas that I'm going to be in contact with.
Yeah.
So I'm going to make sure that all those are 100% covered. On a client's vehicle, we want to make sure we cover everything. On my personal vehicle, I'm only going to do 3 layers on the front areas, and I'll probably only do like 2 layers on the back area because it's not going to get that messed up. So you just do crisscross pattern, and you don't got to do any wipe off. You just let it sit. If you feel like your applicator pad is starting to get like dried out, just apply a few more dots and then keep coating. You also want to wear like a mask or respiratory system. Yeah. We do have one, but you know, we're on here on film with you guys explaining a bit more about the process, so I'm not going to wear it. But you do want to wear one, especially for your health. Just try not to breathe it in.
Is it like toxic or?
Yeah, it pretty much is pretty toxic. Probably losing like 5 years of life right here. I don't know if we're losing 5 years of life, but we're for sure reducing our lifespan. Now this one does not smell as strong or bad as other coatings, but you still don't want to be smelling it.
Yeah.
This armrest area, I'm probably gonna do like 4 layers because this is super used, and I know that it's really common for these armrest areas to get messed up.
Yeah.
So we're almost done with this top portion, with the first layer at least. It doesn't take too long, and you just gotta apply it and let it dry up on its own.
So right now, how long do you let this first layer sit?
Until you visually see that it's all dried up. Should be roughly about 15-ish minutes, maybe a little bit longer, just depends on your weather. It doesn't take super long to dry up. So we can do this layer, and then we could probably go back, check that one out, and see if it's all dried up, and do another layer on that one. Just kind of go back and forth depending on how long you take to do these layers.
So Tony, can you give us an update on the leather seats?
So we're all done. We applied 3 layers and now we're just letting them sit while we start ceramic coating the outside of the trim pieces on this vehicle, and then that's about it. Now we're good to go, nice and protected.
So they're all done?
Yes, sir. Cool. Well, there you have it. That's how we are going to ceramic coat the seats, and a bit more information on ceramic coating your seats. Let me know in the comments down below how much you guys charge to ceramic coat seats or the interior. And remember, if you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.